We climbed higher, step after step, every breath sharper in the cold. The Devil's Ladder was behind us, but the mountain wasn't done testing us. Our legs trembled, exhaustion pressed heavy, yet ahead, I saw it, the tip of the summit cross. "Look," I called to her. "We're almost there." "Don't give up." That sight was enough to lift us. The pain was still there, but it no longer mattered. The cross was a promise, proof the struggle had meaning. The sun rose quickly, almost unnaturally fast, as if caught in time-lapse. Each minute we lost on the trail made the light race ahead. We pushed harder, desperate to reach the top before it was gone. Finally, we stepped onto the summit. Silence wrapped around us. I unfolded the drone with shaking hands, knowing the very first light had already passed. But still, the view was more than enough. A flawless sky, no wind, a calm so rare it felt like a gift. Conditions almost impossible on Carrauntoohil. Yet here we stood inside them. We stayed for 40 minutes, though the cold punished us. Sweat turned to ice, muscles locked, fingers barely moved. And still, we couldn't leave. Because this wasn't just a view. It was a moment suspended in time. Below, the valleys of Kerry stretched endlessly, glowing with the soft gold of morning. Lakes shimmered like glass, clouds on the horizon burned faintly like embers. The climb, the fatigue, the cold, all of it felt worth it. Standing at Ireland's highest point, I understood. It isn't the sunrise itself that matters most. It's the journey to meet it. The struggle, the doubts, the moments where you almost turn back. They're what make the summit unforgettable. When we finally turned away, regret wasn't in missing the very first light. The real regret was having to leave it behind.